Think about how your actions affect other people. You've been through trauma, so don't be the trauma. Don't be the source of someone else's trauma.
And so has Jesse, has he listened to that? Do you think he's absorbed what you've talked to him about?
I definitely think he did. I mean, we talk every 2 to 3 weeks. We catch up. We see where our head spaces are. I feel like he lives intentionally. His faith is a lot stronger than mine, honestly. He's thinking about going to college. He knows that he's alive and he's breathing today. So he knows he has a purpose in his life. So he has to just keep moving forward positively.
Has he grown up a lot since he was arrested for these?
Definitely. I felt like he was very selfish at first, and us like just really talking about just thinking of himself and putting himself first and knowing that other people go through things too. You're not the only one who has gone through trauma. We're all just dealing with it. I know that I come off like I have everything together and that everything's good for me, but it's not always the case. So he knows that.
I have no further questions, Your Honor. I'll pass the witness.
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Do you have any other witnesses or evidence?
Yes, Judge. I have a letter from Mr. Jones's high school counselor.
All right, any objections?
None from the state, Your Honor. Yeah.
I know that Mr. Jones would like to address the court.
All right, you want to raise your right hand? You solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give with the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you lower your hand? State your name for the record.
Jesse Jones.
Vince?
Jesse, what would you like the court to know about you? So where are you from?
From New Orleans, Louisiana.
When did you move to San Antonio?
When I was 16 years old.
And what was that transition like for you?
It was different. I didn't really get used to it. I haven't gotten used to it at all. I'm 19 now, so I haven't gotten used to it.
Just a little louder, please.
I haven't really got used to it yet.
So that transition was difficult. At some point, you decided you weren't gonna live under your father's roof.
Yeah, when I was 17.
And you left.
Yeah.
And what were you doing when you were 17 and you left your father's house? What was your lifestyle like? What was that like? What were you doing?
I was basically just doing anything I wanted.
Or following any rules? You're gonna have to speak up so the court reporter can hear you now. And you're living with your best friend, is that right?
Yeah, I live with my best friend and his mom.
And you're using any kind of substances? Okay. And you're gonna have to speak up and tell the court what you were using.
I was using Xanax bars and marijuana.
Now, that night, have you given any thought to that night that when you were arrested?
I think about it every day.
What do you think about?
Ever since I got online, I've been working, and I love my job. I love my environment, and I couldn't imagine somebody just coming in. That would be a traumatic and scary experience. Nobody deserves that, and I don't even know those people. It was just something I wasn't even planning, something that just happened. And nobody deserves it.
Take responsibility for it.
Yeah.
And what are you going to do to make that better?
I really want to apologize to the victims if I can, like write a letter or something. But I don't want them. They don't even know me like that. They don't even know me, and I don't want them to just think that I'm just this bad person that just goes around messing people's lives up.
What are your plans for the future?
I went to college. So, I want to continue to work. Just stay out of trouble.
You've been on this ankle monitor this whole time
Since September.
been following the rules. And right now, are you clean? Did you take a drug test? You're nodding your head, but again, the court reporter has to let you know. I'm sorry. So what was the answer to that?
Yes.
And if the court gives you this chance on deferred adjudication,
I'm not messing with this. That would be my motivation to continue going and get better. I don't want to end up in jail where I learn the negatives, I learn bad things, and like downgrade. I want to keep getting better. Progressing.
you understand where you were when you were committing these crimes.
I was in a horrible headspace. I didn't care. I was selfish. I was just thinking about myself.
I have no further questions from me.
Say,
Mr. Jones, what was the reason y'all went, that you and Mr. Marine went into those convenience stores to rob them?
There's no reason at all.
But there had to have been a reason. What was the reason at the time?
I don't really have a reason, an excuse. Like, it just happened. It wasn't planned. That day wasn't even supposed to go like that. Like, the day started with me at my friend's house. We was just doing the usual, just watching TV and stuff. And then he had called me at like 2 p.m. and asked me if I wanted to smoke and try some bars with him. And then after that, I went to his house, and that's what we did. And we were supposed to go out to eat and play some basketball. Obviously, that didn't happen. We went to the basketball court, and I remember just blacking out and going in and out. I don't really remember.
So you're telling this court that you took some Xanax bars and somehow you ended up in 3 different convenience stores with a pistol in your hand up to a clerk's face. And you don't know how that happened.
Like I said, we didn't set out like, we wasn't like, oh, let's go do this, let's go do that. Like, it literally just happened. Like, I was in one place and then I was at the next place.
So what was the purpose of you? So what were you trying to do? Were y'all trying to get money?
There was no purpose at all. We didn't even gain nothing from it.
Were y'all doing it for fun?
So like I actually lost everything, honestly.
I believe it was your sister who spoke about that you came from a life of trauma. What do you think about the trauma that you inflicted on these people you put a gun in their face?
Like I said, they don't even know me. Like, they could be scared to even go to work, scared to go down the street, scared to be in their own house, all because of me. All because I wanted to take bars and hang with the wrong people. You know, I have family at home that loves me, and instead of being with them, I was out with people who don't care about me, people who would set me up for failure. And I blame myself for that. Like, those people don't deserve that. Those people are just living their normal lives, doing what they're supposed to do, working and doing stuff for their families. While I'm out here, just messing that up.
Further questions?
All right, any follow-up?
No follow-up.
Any witnesses?
No other witnesses.
All right, and each of the cause numbers, the court is going to find you guilty, deny your application, sentence you to 5 years in the prison. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine in each cause number, time and money is right concurrent. Each case will run concurrent with each other. So 2021 CR 94798 and 2021 CR 9480A are to run concurrent. Court is taking into consideration each cause number 2021 CR 9480A. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing? Yes. And each cause number I'm showing you is entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Oh, this is for your client. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Mr. Jones, did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction in each of these cause numbers, you're not allowed to own or possess a weapon or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record, Mr. Jones. Sometimes when people are sentenced, they think it's the end of their life. And I know it's going to be hard on you, but you're only 19. So you can still turn your life around and still do better. There are programs at the prison. When you are released from prison, you need to make sure that you follow the rules and do what's appropriate in being a good citizen. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
This courtroom hearing followed 19-year-old Jesse Jones as he faced sentencing for a series of armed convenience store robberies. During the hearing, family members described how much he had changed since his arrest, saying he had grown from a selfish teenager to someone who finally understood the impact of his actions. When Jesse took the stand, he spoke openly about his troubled past, drug use, and the difficult transition after leaving home at 17. He admitted that on the day of the robberies, he had been using Xanax and marijuana and claimed he blacked out, insisting the crimes were never planned. Most importantly, he accepted responsibility and expressed deep remorse for the fear and trauma he caused the victims. Jesse told the court he wanted to continue working, attend college, and stay out of trouble if given a second chance. However, despite his apology and testimony about personal growth, the judge denied his request for deferred adjudication and sentenced him to 5 years in prison. Before ending the hearing, the judge reminded him that at just 19 years old, he still had time to turn his life around and build a better future after his release.